In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access lock screen. Then click on Screen Lock Type and click on one of those login methods. Finally create one, choose Continue, repeat it to confirm it, and hit Confirm. Now you can manage lock screen notifications however you want to, and when you finish, hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!